Hey,
Cali
yo, we cranked it.
Rages.
Yo, Roy, this is a song I want you to get on. Or dance to.
Cali Rages. Cali Rages. Cali Rages. Cali Rages. Cali Rages. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't. Kelly and Regis, baby, I'm up on the TV. If I pop up on your desktop, would you delete me? If I came through to your crib, then baby, would you see me? Do you need me? Think of you when I'm sleepy. We be in my basement, we don't never sleep. We come in, throw cards and we online, baby, retweet me. I don't take no test no more, so I don't need no cheat sheet. Kelly Regis, see me on your tele-PV. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high. I can't tell when you cry. You can't tell when I'm high.
5 years after Regis Philbin said goodbye to live, he apparently also said goodbye to his relationship.
It is something that Regis first revealed to me last month. As we go